Tesla is once again pushing the boundaries of technology, and this time it's not about electric cars, it's about humanoid robots. The Tesla Bot Gen 3, also known as Optimus, is making headlines across the world as new details about its full specifications begin to emerge. From improved movement and intelligence to real-world task performance, this latest version of the robot is starting to look less like a prototype and more like a real product. But the big question everyone is asking is this: has Elon Musk actually beaten Figure AI's Figure 3 robot? In this video, we explore everything you need to know about Tesla Bot Gen 3, its full specs, its capabilities, and how it compares to one of its biggest competitors in the humanoid robotics space. To understand how important Tesla Bot Gen 3 is, we need to look at where it all started. When Elon Musk first introduced the idea of a humanoid robot, many people were skeptical. Some thought it was just another futuristic promise that would take years to become real. However, Tesla quickly moved from concept to working prototypes. The first versions of Optimus were basic, with limited movement and simple functionality. But with each new iteration, Tesla has made significant improvements. Now, with Gen 3, the robot is more refined, more capable, and much closer to being useful in real-world environments. One of the most important aspects of Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its physical design and hardware. The robot is built to resemble the human body, which allows it to operate in environments designed for humans. It has 2 arms, 2 legs, and hands that are designed to handle objects with precision. The actuators and joints have been significantly improved in this version, allowing for smoother and more natural movement. Compared to earlier models, Gen 3 walks more confidently, maintains better balance, and can perform tasks with greater accuracy. Tesla has also focused on reducing the weight of the robot while increasing its strength, making it more efficient and capable of handling heavier loads. Another major upgrade in Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its hand design. Hands are one of the most complex parts of a humanoid robot because they need to perform delicate tasks as well as handle heavier objects. Tesla has redesigned the hands to include more degrees of freedom, allowing the robot to grip and manipulate items more effectively. This means Optimus can now perform tasks like picking up small objects, using tools, and even folding clothes with improved precision. These advancements bring the robot closer to being able to handle everyday human tasks. The real power of Tesla Bot Gen 3, however, lies in its artificial intelligence. Tesla is using the same neural network technology that powers its self-driving cars. This allows the robot to see, understand, and interact with its environment in a highly advanced way. Using cameras and sensors, Optimus can analyze its surroundings, identify objects, and make decisions in real time. This level of intelligence is what sets Tesla apart from many other robotics companies. Instead of relying solely on pre-programmed instructions, Optimus can learn from experience and improve over time. Training the robot is another area where Tesla has made major progress. Instead of manually programming every task, Tesla uses real-world data and human demonstrations to teach the robot. This approach allows Optimus to learn tasks more naturally. For example, if a human demonstrates how to move an object from one place to another, the robot can observe and replicate that action. Over time, it becomes more efficient and accurate. This method of learning is similar to how humans learn new skills, making it a powerful approach for developing advanced robotics. Now let's talk about the full specifications that have been revealed for Tesla Bot Gen 3. While Tesla has not officially released every detail, several key features have been highlighted. The robot is expected to have a strong yet lightweight frame, allowing it to carry significant weight without sacrificing mobility. It is designed to operate for extended periods, with an efficient battery system that provides enough power for daily tasks. The sensors and cameras provide a 360-degree understanding of the environment, enabling the robot to navigate complex spaces safely. The processing power behind the robot is also impressive, allowing it to handle advanced AI computations in real time. One of the most exciting aspects of Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its ability to perform real-world tasks. Tesla has already demonstrated the robot sorting objects, carrying items, and performing simple assembly tasks. These demonstrations may seem basic, but they are important steps toward creating a robot that can handle more complex responsibilities. The goal is to develop a robot that can work in factories, warehouses, and even homes. By automating repetitive and physically demanding tasks, Optimus has the potential to significantly increase productivity and efficiency. But how does Tesla Bot Gen 3 compare to Figure AI's Figure 3 robot? This is where things get really interesting. Figure AI has been making rapid progress in the humanoid robotics space, and their Figure 03 robot is considered one of the most advanced competitors. Both robots are designed to perform similar tasks, but they have different strengths. Tesla's biggest advantage is its experience with AI and real-world data. The company has spent years developing self-driving technology, which gives it a strong foundation for building intelligent robots. The potential applications for Tesla Bot Gen 3 are enormous. In Industrial settings, the robot could handle tasks such as moving materials, assembling products, and managing inventory. This could reduce labor costs and improve efficiency in factories and warehouses. In homes, Optimus could assist with chores like cleaning, cooking, and organizing. It could also provide support for elderly individuals, helping them with daily activities and improving their quality of life. In the long term, robots like Optimus could become an essential part of everyday life. However, there are still challenges that need to be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring safety. Robots operating in human environments must be reliable and able to avoid causing harm. Tesla is working on advanced safety systems to ensure that Optimus can interact safely with people. Another challenge is improving the robot's ability to handle complex and unpredictable situations. While AI has made significant progress, there is still work to be done to achieve human-level understanding and decision-making. There are also broader questions about the impact of humanoid robots on society. As robots become more capable, they could replace certain types of jobs, particularly those involving repetitive or manual labor. This could lead to economic changes and require new approaches to education and employment. At the same time, robots could create new opportunities by enabling industries to grow and innovate. Finding the right balance will be an important challenge for the future. Looking ahead, the future of Tesla Bot Gen 3 looks incredibly promising. With continuous improvements in AI, hardware, and training methods, the robot is expected to become more capable over time. Tesla's vision is to create a robot that can perform a wide range of tasks, making it useful in many different environments. If the company succeeds, Optimus could become one of the most important technological advancements of our time. So, has Elon Musk beaten Figure 03 with Tesla Bot Gen 3? The answer is not simple. Both robots are impressive in their own ways, and the competition between Tesla and Figure AI is driving rapid innovation in the field. While Figure 03 may currently have advantages in certain areas, Tesla's focus on AI, scalability, and real-world learning could give it a long-term edge. Ultimately, the winner will be the company that can deliver a robot that is not only powerful and intelligent, but also practical and affordable. Tesla Bot Gen 3 represents a major step forward in humanoid robotics. With its improved design, advanced AI, and growing list of capabilities, it is closer than ever to becoming a real product that can transform industries and daily life. The competition with Figure 03 is pushing both companies to innovate faster, bringing us closer to a future where robots are a normal part of our world. Whether Tesla ultimately comes out on top or not, one thing is certain. The age of humanoid robots has begun, and it is going to change everything.